Yesterday, the US reported a slowdown in inflation. Today, the United Kingdom presented the same news. In the UK, inflation slackened more than anticipated. The consumer price growth eased to 4.6% from a 6.7% against the forecast of a 4.9%. However, the British pound did not fall. It stopped gaining in value yesterday. The fresh data led to just an insignificant decline that could hardly be called a pullback. Notably, not so long ago, 3 board members of the Bank of England voted for the key rate hike. What's more, the regulator did not even discuss a cut in interest rates at the previous meeting, and now it seems to be high time to talk about monetary policy loosening. However, the market has not reacted to the information yet. The market situation remained almost the same even after the publication of the EUROZONE industrial production figures. The decline in the sector accelerated to -6.9% from a -5.1%, whereas economists had foreseen a drop to -6.2%. It's highly possible that investors are expecting a deeper drop in the US dollar. The fact is that the inflation figures point to a sooner key rate cut by the Federal Reserve, and this fact is of a greater importance compared to all the others. That's why traders are anticipating a new portion of a negative data from the United States. Such predictions are quite reasonable, since retail sales may slacken to 2.1%. This, in turn, may cause a deeper drop in the greenback. On the trading chart, we see that the euro-dollar pair showed a considerable price change amid the US inflation report. Thus, the pair jumped by almost 1.7%, which is about 190 pips. As a result, it left the sideways channel and recovered after the recent downward correction. Under the current conditions, the euro has become overbought in the intraday and the short-term periods. Such a signal appeared because of a rapid rise, and as a result, the price has already started falling, thus allowing the US dollar to recoup some losses and approach 1.0800. The upward scenario suggests an inertial movement, as speculators may ignore overbought signals. In this light, the euro's consolidation above 1.0900 may point to a further increase. The pound sterling also skyrocketed amid the US dollar sell-off. The currency appreciated by 1.8% or about 230 pips, and thus touching the level of 1.2500. Since the British pound is significantly overbought, the volume of long positions dropped, and this may lead to a decline to 1.2350. The alternative scenario suggests a continuation of the upward cycle, thanks to the inertial movement caused by the fact that speculators are ignoring overbought conditions. This scenario will become possible if the price settles above 1.2500. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.